Augmentin is a medication that primarily comprises two active ingredients, amoxicillin and clavulanic acid. Amoxicillin belongs to a group of drugs known as penicillins, which are antibiotics used to treat various bacterial infections by inhibiting bacterial cell wall synthesis, thereby causing bacterial death. Clavulanic acid functions as a beta-lactamase inhibitor, preventing bacteria from developing resistance to amoxicillin and broadening its range to cover beta-lactamase-producing bacterial strains. It doesn't possess antimicrobial activity independently, but enhances the efficacy of penicillins against resistant organisms. Augmentin is prescribed for conditions including lower respiratory tract infections, otitis media, sinusitis, urinary tract infections, skin infections, and oral and dental bacterial infections. It's also effective against infections caused by beta-lactamase-producing strains such as Escherichia coli, Haemophilus influenza, and Staphylococcus aureus, and can be used as a prophylactic measure in surgeries where infection risk is prevalent. Contraindications for Augmentin include hypersensitivity to any of its components, allergies to penicillin or cephalosporins, and previous occurrences of jaundice or liver dysfunction related to amoxicillin/clavulanate. Precautions involve careful use under medical supervision for individuals with renal impairment, hepatic conditions, or mononucleosis caused by Epstein-Barr virus. Extended release forms are not recommended for patients with renal issues. Augmentin is ineffective against viral infections like colds and flu and should be avoided to prevent antibiotic resistance. Among notable side effects, the combination of amoxicillin and clavulanic acid has a higher probability of causing diarrhea compared to the use of amoxicillin alone, including the risk of Clostridium difficile-associated diarrhea. During pregnancy, Augmentin can be administered with professional consultation as there's no evidence of harm. For breastfeeding mothers, caution is advised due to potential drug secretion in breast milk. Drug interactions warrant disclosure of all medications, herbs, vitamins, and supplements taken before beginning treatment. It should not be used simultaneously with certain vaccines like BCG, cholera, and typhoid, as amoxicillin decreases the efficacy of live bacterial vaccines. The typical dosage for adults varies based on the condition being treated, while the pediatric dose is determined by the child's weight. Augmentin is available in various forms including oral tablets and powder for suspension, stored at room temperature away from moisture and light. Administering Augmentin requires adherence to prescribed guidelines. Changing antibiotics may be necessary if symptoms do not improve within 2 days.